Okay, so you know bird watching, right? But instead of bird watching, this is bird hunting with me. Okay, episode 1, bird hunting. Let's see if we can find any birds, because I don't, you can hear them, but you can't see them. Dun dun dun. Okay, I'm pretty sure I saw a lot of birds back this way, so let's check it out. There's also bats around here. I may make a video of bat hunting. But yeah, in this series we're not we're not technically hunting birds. We're just looking for them. And so yeah. Earlier I was sitting on that front porch over there, and I was looking, and birds seem to really like that tree right there. And I think there's a nest there, but there's a lot of birds everywhere. Let's see if we can find one. Oh! See it? It's right there. See it right there. It's right. Here's my finger. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's right there. It's right there. Okay. That's Molly, the dog. Molly the dog. Awesome. Okay. I don't know. Back to business. There's a nest in there. Right there. Let's zoom in. No, it's already zoomed in. I don't know, but there's a bird house right there. There's one right there. They're everywhere. But there's also one right there. You can barely see it here. I'm running. It's right there. And then that little thing, that's like right there. It's like a cage. Okay, well, I'll see you guys later because I don't know why. I just want to go now because I'm getting bored. There's no birds anywhere. So